Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Simnet project, and assignment name is Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 4, independent project 424. So we just color that one. Independent project 424, and there are instructions about the project. Eller system has received contract data in text file. You transform and import, sort and filter the data. You also create a pivot table, prepare a worksheet with subtotal and format related data as an Excel table. These SLOs will be covered in today's project 4.1 to 4.8. Okay, file needed. This one that we have already downloaded from our start file, we call that solution file. We have to open that one. Then there is supporting file that is also available, and we call that as a resource file. Okay, that we have already downloaded from a resource or link that is also available in our downloaded folder. After completing our project, our file name must be completed project file name. Your name, our name must be first, then Eller.04.xls. Okay, skills cover in today project. Skills cover in this project. What skill we will cover in today project? So format data in Excel table, sort data in Excel table, import a text file, transform data in Power Query, sort data by multiplying columns, add calculator field in the table, create pivot table, format field in pivot table, use subtotal command. So all these skills will be covered in today project. So now we are moving toward instruction file. Before going to solve our before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move to our whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20, 21 and 22. We have 19 questions in graded part, then 20, 21 and 22 are non-graded ones. So we have 19 questions in graded part. Let me start today assignment step by step. But remember that we are solving Simnet project Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 424. In short, we discuss instruction about the file that what we have in today file, then we discuss skills covered in today project. Now we are moving to our instruction file. Okay, so steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete them. In first part we have to open the start file. If workbook open in protected view, then we have to click on enable editing button. Okay, so we just move towards solution file. There it is also in protected form, so we have to click on enable editing. Then the file will rename automatically to include your name. Okay, so file must be include our name. You may see file automatically have our name. Okay, there. So question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we have to open Eller 04 start file that we have downloaded from our start link. We call that solution file. First we have to open that one. If it is in protected view, then we have to click enable button to modify it. The file will rename automatically to include our name. So first part is done. Now we are moving toward the next part of today's assignment. In next part we have to click billable hours sheet tab in and select cell E4. Billable hours sheet, then there we have to select cell E4, this one. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we just move toward billable or sheet tab, then select cell A4. Now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3, we have to click format as a table button, that is in home tab style group, home tab in style group, and there we have to select a light gray table style medium 11. We have to select medium 11 there, this one. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to click format as a table button, that is in home tab style group. We have to use light gray table style medium 11, and we have done, and we get this result. Okay, so after solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Select cell C6 and type formula C equal as C5 plus 1. We have to move toward cell C6, and there we type equal, then C plus C5 plus 1, then press enter. Okay, so question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we have to select cell C6, and there we have to type formula, that is equal sign C plus 1. So after solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. In question number 5, what we have to do? Autofill formula to copy row 51 to row 51. Now we have to autofill this formula to row 51. Then in question number 6, after solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. In question number 6, we have to type 0.5 add on in cell E4, then press enter. So we just type this one in cell E4. Here, then press enter. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to type 0.5 add on in cell E4 and press enter. So new column will be developed there. So question number 6 is done. After solving question number 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. So in question number 7, what we have to do? Build a formula in cell E5. We have to move towards cell E5, and there we have to build a formula to add 0.5 to D5. Equal sign, then D5, and there we have to add 0.5 there. Then press enter to copy formula. Okay, after that, then we just simply press enter to get formula. So whole column will be automatically filled. So question number 7 is done. Then format result to display 2 decimal place and apply all border. Okay, now we have to format that one to display 2 decimal place, this one. So we have to select this whole column, then simply press home, and there we have to increase decimal to 2 decimal place. Then after that, then we have to apply all borders. So for that, we have to move toward home. In phone group, there is border, so we have to apply all border there. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, there we have to build a formula in cell E5 to add 0.5 to cell D5. Then simply press enter to get the result to whole column. Then format the result to display 2 decimal place and apply all border. So question number 7 is done. After solving question number 7, now we are moving toward question number 8. Copy dates as well as value. So select C5. Then we have to select C5 there. Okay. C5 is reference to the today date that is in F2. Yes, it's true. Then what we have to do? Sort the column by date in newest to oldest order. Okay, now we have to sort that to sort this column to newest to oldest. Edit, sort from newest to oldest. Because dates are calculated, the formula are wrong. Yes, that is wrong. You may see values are going wrong way. Then what we have to do? In part C, we have to click undo button. The formula are restored. Okay, now we have to click undo. So there is undo option. So question number 8 part C is done, in which we have to undo that formula so we can get correct values. Okay. So in part D, what we have to do? We have to select C5 to C51. C5 to C51. And then you can copy and paste it to replace formula with actual dates. Now we have to copy that, then paste that or place with actual formula. Okay, then press escape there. Okay, paste that, then select C5 and click arrow and paste button. We have done. Then choose values. Okay, we have to choose values, not paste. Copy that again, then here we have to paste them and use values. So question number 8 is we are moving toward part H, in which we have to press escape to remove moving border and click cell C5. Okay. So question number 8 is done. The same way we will solve question number 9, 10 up to 17, 18 and 19. There are 19 questions. Out of 19 questions, we have done first 9 to 10 questions in today's video. Remember that we are solving Simnet project. That name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4, independent project 424. In start, we just discuss the instruction about the file, that what we have in today file, how we have to solve that one, or how many SLOs we will cover in today project. Okay, we discuss everything in start. Then we move towards skills covered in this project. All these skills we have discussed. After discussing all these skills, then we move toward instruction file, and in instruction file we have 19 question in graded part. Out of 19 question, we done question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First 9 question we have done. So almost 50 to 55% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, SQL project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results. That's my guarantee. That's my promise, because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So you can trust on me and you will get A grade 100% result. And it's biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer and you will get A grade 100% results, and our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So you may avail that opportunity and you will get 100% result in your full course. Okay, So in today's video we discuss Simnet project, that name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4 to 4. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Again, listen to me carefully that we have done almost 50% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as here in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results A grade in every assignment that I will solve. So meet soon with our next assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.